As people start getting out of work tonight, essential businesses will see a last-minute rush of shoppers before the snowfall. 22 News reporter Hector Molina is live from our Hampshire County Bureau after going to a local liquor store to see how people were stocking up ahead of the storm.
Well, besides the holidays, snow days are some of the busiest times of year for local liquor stores. 22 News went to State Street Wines and Spirits earlier today, with many bars and restaurants having to reduce hours or close entirely due to the pandemic. They've seen a significant increase in business, and they expect the same tonight.
We've been kind of snowed in for 9 months now. The second as the flakes start to fall, they kind of trickle in and then pour in, and they want to make these cocktails at home, especially like warm cocktails, hot toddies, things like that. Just kind of, hang out inside and just relax.
And Starkey said the more popular items people tend to buy before a snowstorm tend to be whiskeys, bourbon, and red wines. And he expects now to be the time of night where you can expect to see the longest lines at your local package stores. Working for you from our Hampshire County Bureau in Northampton tonight, Hector Molina, 22 News.